Diane here with a quick tutorial on how to use Dropbox to save some of your most important files and access them anywhere. First thing we'll need to do is open up your browser. If that's Firefox, Safari, maybe it's Internet Explorer, Chrome, whatever. Open up a new browser window and type in this address, Dropbox, Dropbox.com. Dropbox.com is the address. And this is their home page or welcome window. You'll need to sign up if you have not ever created a Dropbox account, or if you have already created an account, sign in. You'll notice from their main graphic here, they're trying to communicate to you that you can store files in your Dropbox account. It's online cloud storage, and access it from any device. For example, I have files on my laptop that I have placed in my Dropbox folder. Here's a little handy shortcut. I can access those files on my iPad at home. I can also access them on my Android phone. If you have an iPhone, you can do the same. To sign up, it's pretty simple. First name, last name, email, and password. You can generate a new password for this account or use one that's typical to your online accounts. Either way, please make sure you remember this information, agree to their terms, and go ahead and sign up. I'm going to sign in with my APS account. I have multiple Dropbox accounts, and you can also do that with different emails, and you can tell it to remember you. And here's my home page for Dropbox. You'll know that you're signed in because it will have your identity up here. By default, Dropbox gives you 2 gigabytes of storage. If you are only storing like Word files, documents, spreadsheets, lesson plans, things like that, that's more than enough storage. You probably don't want to upgrade to a paid account if that's the case. I strongly recommend that you begin with the Getting Started link. This will afford you a little bit more storage and teach you how to use Dropbox. You will probably want to install this on your computer so that you can easily dump files in to your folders. And again, it's a nice way to get some extra storage. So I strongly suggest starting here. All right, back to my home page. You'll see I have a couple of folders here. There are some icons up here, shortcuts, that will help you work more efficiently. You can create a new folder. Maybe I'm going to call this Lesson Plans because I want to upload these for the summer. Once that folder's been created, I can open it. So you'll see my Lesson Plans folder is currently empty. I can drag and drop any file here. Let me search for Lesson Plans on my machine. And maybe I want to take my Career Exploration lesson plan and put it in Dropbox. Once I drag and drop that over, it will upload it, confirm it for me here, and then I'll see that my Career Exploration lesson plan is now in Dropbox in my Lesson Plans folder. It's that simple. I can share this with people by clicking on the Share Link icon here. I can download this to another machine. If I go home this afternoon and open up my laptop at home, I can download this file and continue to work on it at home. I can delete or rename this file, and I have some more options here. Another way to upload files is to click on this upload icon. You can upload files that way and browse. Okay, so that's a nice easy way to upload files. You can share folders with other folks by clicking on the share link. Use your contacts, type in email addresses, etc. It will email them a link to your folder and they can then have access to your materials. Obviously you can trash some of your files and show deleted. Those same shortcuts are over here in addition to adding photos and things like that. So that's Dropbox in a nutshell. Again, 2 gigabytes of storage for free, so if you're mainly working with documents and spreadsheets, this is a nice way to ensure that all of your materials are accessible on any device that has an internet connection. Now, if you're working with larger file types, for example, video or audio files, large PowerPoint presentations, things like that, you may want to try to upgrade your Dropbox or think about using an external hard drive. Of course, the disadvantage there is you have to have that hard drive physically present in order to access those files. So Dropbox can be convenient if you know you're going to be moving from device to device. Enjoy!